was good, y'all? Hope y'all enjoyed the vid, man. Don't forget, I'm breaking down my supporters' jump shots. That's right. I'm breaking down your jump shot. All I gotta do is look at the details that I posted on my Instagram, Twitter, also my YouTube. Just for $10, I'll do a full breakdown of your jumper. It's just for you. No one else can see it unless you want to share it. And it's gonna be just for you, man. Just for $10. And just hit me up in the DMs through Instagram or Twitter if you're interested, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the vid. I'll see you on the next vid.